Join me as I transform my boring old TV into a vibrant rainbow masterpiece using Govee RGBIC smart LED strip lights. I'm super excited to share with you how these innovative lights can elevate your TV viewing experience by adding a pop of color and ambience to your setup. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite shows or games with a mesmerizing display of lights that complement the action on screen. Let's be honest, plain TV setups can be a real buzzkill. They're boring, dull, and completely lack personality. It's like watching a movie in a dark, empty room. Where's the fun in that? You want to feel like you're part of the action, like you're right there in the middle of it all. But with a standard TV setup, that's just not possible. And don't even get me started on gaming. It's like playing in a cave. You need something that's gonna bring the excitement to life, something that's gonna make you feel like you're part of the game. Think about it, when you're watching a movie or playing a game, you want to be transported to a different world. You want to feel like you're part of something bigger than yourself. But with a boring TV setup, that's just not possible. You're stuck in the real world, staring at a bland screen that's sucking the life out of you. It's time to change that. It's time to take your TV viewing experience to the next level. I've got the solution right here, the Govee RGBIC smart LED strip lights. These babies are game changers. They're easy to set up, customizable, and can be controlled via an app. You can sync them to music, adjust the brightness, and even change the color to match your mood. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you how to get started. First things first, unboxing. You gotta love the excitement of unboxing new gadgets. It's like Christmas morning all over again. Okay, so we've got our lights, the power adapter, and the instructions. Simple. Next, we need to stick the strips to the TV. This is where things get a little tricky, but trust me, it's worth it. You just peel off the backing, stick them on, and voila! You're good to go. Now we need to set them up via the app. This is where things get really cool. You can customize your lights to match your favorite colors, adjust the brightness, and even set up different modes for different occasions. Want to watch a horror movie? Switch to the spooky mode. Want to play some games? Switch to the gaming mode. It's that easy. The transformation is amazing. My TV area has gone from drab to fab in a matter of minutes. The lights are vibrant, they're colorful, and they're totally immersive. I feel like I'm part of the action, like I'm right there in the middle of it all. This is what TV viewing should be all about. With the Govee RGBIC smart LED strip lights, you can elevate your TV experience to new heights. It's easy, it's fun, and it's totally customizable. You can create a lighting setup that's all your own, that reflects your personality, your style, and your mood. So why settle for a boring TV setup when you can have a vibrant, immersive experience that'll leave you breathless? So what do you guys think? Have you ever used LED strip lights to enhance your TV experience? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos on home decor or tech gadgets, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.